China, tell me what is my father, Qurban Mount's crime. Have Xinjiang authorities detained my father because he has an American son like me? Or they detained my father because he worked as journalist for more than 40 years? There is no justifiable reason that Xinjiang authorities can detain my father. Release my father now and prove it if he is released from re-education camp in Xinjiang. You have claimed what you are doing in Xinjiang is re-education and vocational training. My father doesn't need any vocational training because he is retired and former editor-in-chief. My heart is bleeding and thinking about my father 24/7. You have cut my connection with my family members in Urumqi for more than 1 year. Your crime against humanity is already enough. Release my father now. Let me contact with my family members in Urumqi.